In this quick guide, I'll show you how to hide a shipping method in WooCommerce. Whether you want to simplify checkout, remove outdated options, or temporarily disable a method, the process is super simple and only takes a moment. Start by opening your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click WooCommerce, then select Settings. Once you are in the Settings area, head over to the Shipping tab. This is where all your shipping zones and methods are managed. Inside the Shipping tab, choose a shipping zone you want to edit. This could be something like domestic, international, or any custom zone you've created. Once you open that zone, you will see all the shipping methods assigned to it, such as flat rate, free shipping, or local pickup. To hide a shipping method, simply find the one you want to remove and click Edit next to it. You'll see an option to disable the method. Toggle it off, save your changes, and the method will instantly stop appearing for customers during checkout. If you ever need the method again, just come back and enable it the same way. And that's it. Quick, clean, and done. You've successfully hidden a shipping method in WooCommerce. Thanks for watching and happy selling.